Hello everyone. So today we are going to do another walk. We are near the town of Isle of Whithorn, and the walk is to St Ninian's cave. It starts from this Kidsdale farm. We've arrived here early. It's about 9:30. Oh no, it's about 10:30 on a Sunday morning. We were camping in Isle of Whithorn, and we thought we would do this walk because it was close to our campsite. There's ample parking here, and there's an honesty box here where you can put £1. So we'll put this pound here and we'll start our walk from there. It's about a mile from the car park, so let's go. So the path, it starts next to the farm from here. It's managed by Historic Scotland. It's early September and the weather is quite nice today. It's not sunny, but it's not cold or windy at all. So we've come to this path over here, and it still says it's 1 mile. We've crossed the road and we are going to walk. This walk is better than the one we came from. We just walked about 5 or 6 minutes through the farm, and now we are walking through this forest. So we've come through the forest and we've walked about a kilometer, and we've come across, although the stream was all along with us in the forest, but there's this another stream that's cutting through and joining this one, and then there are some more forested walk, but now it's slightly opening up. So we can see the sea now, and the cave is near the sea, so we are almost there. Oh, so the cave is about 1/4 miles, and from here we can see the cave. It's over there. I think it's partially closed from what I read, but we are going to go closer and see. So the stream that we saw earlier in the forest, it goes from over there and it goes under these stones, and then from under the stones it joins the sea from here. And it looks really pretty. Even over there you can see the water. It's flowing over the stones, going into the sea. So the path to the cave, it's all this stony path. So if you have limited mobility, then it might not be the best suitable, but otherwise, like, it's okay for most people. So that's the cave right there. We'll see how close we can go.